Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add a banner on your Wix website step by step. Open the Wix editor from your Wix dashboard. Find the site you want to edit and click the Edit Site button next to it. Once that loads, you'll see the Wix editor interface with your website in the center. Click the Add button in the left sidebar. This opens a menu panel with all the different elements you can add to your site. You'll see options like strip, text, image, and others. In that Add menu, click on Strip. This will show you different strip styles. Choose either classic strip or notification strip, depending on the style you want for your banner. Click and drag your chosen strip to the very top of your page. Position it above your header if you want the banner to appear across all pages. You'll see the strip appear at the top of the page. Double-click on the strip to edit the text. The text cursor will appear, and you can type in your announcement message. With the strip selected, the design panel will open on the right side. Use this to adjust your colors, fonts, and background settings to match your site's branding. You can also add buttons or links to the banner at this stage. If you want this banner to appear on every page of your site, drag the strip upward into the header area. Keep dragging until you see an Attach to Header notification appear. Your strip needs to be narrower than the header to fit inside it. When it's attached to the header, visitors will see your announcement on every page they visit. Click on the strip and then click the Settings button that appears. The Settings panel will open with page visibility options. You can choose Show on all pages or pick specific pages where the banner should display. Click the Preview button to check how your banner looks on both desktop and mobile views. Once you're happy with it, click the Publish button in the top right corner. Your announcement banner is now live on your website. Here are a couple of quick tips. If you attached your banner to the header, test it on a few different pages to confirm it's appearing everywhere. You can also edit the banner text anytime by opening the Wix editor and clicking on the strip Useful if you need to update the message. Test the banner on different devices too, desktop, tablet, and mobile, to make sure it displays correctly across all screen sizes. Let me know in the comments if this helped.